Good morning students, this is a computer class and today we will be discussing about your confusions, the questions that you have been asking me frequently for the previous times. So what you have to do, I'll tell you first about computer, then we'll go to dance, okay, because you have been confused in that subject as well. So students, first of all I'll be telling you how you have to do your paper, okay. So the paper pattern, you will be getting 45 minutes, okay, and in these 45 minutes you will have to answer 40 questions, okay. The medium of the questions in computer, this we are talking about computer, okay. So the medium, the time you will be getting for computer paper is 45 minutes, and the questions, total number of questions that you will be answering is 40, okay. And what you will be doing is that in these are multiple choice questions, it means MCQ, okay. What are multiple choice questions? So in multiple choice questions, what we do, we just give one question and we give some options which might be the correct answer for this question, okay. So there are going to be three options, A, B and C, okay, and any one of these A, B, C is going to be the right answer, okay. A भी सही हो सकता है, B भी सही हो सकता है, C भी सही हो सकता है, क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको देखना होगा। क्वेश्चन के आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, यू विल रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड देन यू विल सी दीज ऑप्शंस, you will see these options and you will click on the correct answer, whatever any one of these can be the correct answer. You have to read the question and go through these options carefully and then tick on the correct answer, all right. In the same way, you in the way you have answered question 1, you will go to question 2 after selecting the right one in this one, okay. You will go to question 2, okay. This was question 1, now you will go to question 2, you will read the question and then you will again go through all the options that you have been given, B option, C option, okay. And you will read this question, you will understand this question, then you will see all the three options that have been provided, then you will see which is the correct answer among these three, okay. So suppose B is the correct answer, you will click on B. That's how you will do this question answer, okay. So this is going to be the pattern. Let's and students, there are questions which might give you some kind of confusion. Now you know these are 40 questions and time is only 45 minutes, so you will have to process things fast. And let me tell you, the questions that have been given to you in this subject, especially computer, they are coming from the middle of the book, nothing is from the exercise, सब कुछ book के बीच में से, यानी कि you will have to read the chapter carefully, okay. Read the chapter carefully, क्योंकि questions आपकी जो बुक में पैराग्राफ्स दिए हैं उसके सेंटर में जो लाइंस दी हुई हैं हर टॉपिक में, वो बीच से है, कुछ भी आपको एक्सरसाइज से नहीं दिया गया है, सारी चीज़ें बीच से हैं. सो यू विल हैव टू रीड द chapter, all the chapters that are in your course, you will have to read those, okay. And after reading those, you will get a clear cut idea of how you have to answer the questions. So I request you to read all the chapters, because the questions that I have given you are from the middle of the chapter, not from the exercises. So students, one more thing that might get you confused is that there are some kind of positive questions, there are some kind of negative questions. So you will have to pay special attention while reading the question. What you are going to do, suppose the question is that on the basis, I am just making this question, okay. I am just making this question. This question is not in the exercise, this question is from the middle of the book, so I just made this question just to explain you this question, okay. So suppose this is question 1. On the basis of generations, how many types of computers are there, okay. This is a question. See, I'm zooming it for you so you will see it clearly, okay. On the basis of generations, how many types of computers are there? Okay, this is a question, and now I'll be giving you options A, B and C. On the basis of generation, there are 2 types of computers. On the basis of generations, there are 3 types of computers, or on the basis of generations, there are 5 types of computers. So you have been given 3 options according to this question. Any one of these can be the right answer. So which one is the right answer? You just have to click on that. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option C. I just clicked on it. Okay, 5 is the correct answer. This is a multiple choice question. You are given multiple choices and you have to select the right one. Okay, so this is question 1. I hope you have understood this. Okay, now let's go to another type of question that might leave you confusing again. Okay, that's why I'm telling you now, students, these are the types of questions why I'm telling you to read the questions carefully. These are you can call it kind of negative questions. So I'm giving question 2. Okay, which of the following is not a you can say supercomputer? Okay, so read the question carefully, students. The question is saying which of the following is not a supercomputer. Not a supercomputer. It's not asking about कि इसमें से आप ये बताइए कि इसमें सुपर कंप्यूटर कौन सा है. इसमें आपको जो ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे उसमें से लगभग 2 सुपर कंप्यूटर के नाम होंगे और कोई एक सुपर कंप्यूटर नहीं होगा. कोई एक सुपर कंप्यूटर का नाम नहीं होगा. नॉट, नहीं. तो जो नॉट है, जो सुपर कंप्यूटर नहीं है, आपको उस पर टिक लगानी है. That's why I'm telling you, students, to read the question carefully. There are some questions that are going to confuse you. Okay, suppose I am giving the option A, B and C. परम, क्रे, okay, and ATM. Okay, students, so see the question. Which of the following is not a supercomputer? इसमें से क्या एक सुपर कंप्यूटर नहीं है? Okay, so you will read the book, you will understand that Param is a name of supercomputer, Cray is a name of supercomputer, but ATM is a machine, students, that you all know about, जिससे कि हम कैश की ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं, यानी कि हम उससे पैसे निकालते हैं. ओके, सो ATM comes under hybrid computers. Okay, so not a supercomputer. ATM is not a supercomputer. Param is a supercomputer. Cray is a supercomputer. So this question is quite confusing. That's why I'm telling you to read the question carefully. Okay, that's how you will answer the question. Which is not a supercomputer? ATM is not a supercomputer. Okay, not. Read the question carefully and you will understand. So this is how you are going to answer your computer MCQs. Okay, now let's go to the dance part. Now students, I must tell you, I'm highly disappointed by the fact that very less number has seen the dance videos, because all of you have been asking me that how you are going to do things and this and all. That's all fine. You are asking me, I'm telling you, that's you can call it natural doubt. ये सब होना ठीक था. But you have been asking me what to study, how to study. So students, I want to tell you, I have made videos on dance, and the questions that I have given you are only those questions that I have taught you about in those videos. Nothing else is coming from outside. Only the things that I have taught you in the videos, सिर्फ वो आपको पेपर में देखने को मिलेंगी. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है पेपर में जो आपको पढ़ाया नहीं गया था. सारी चीज़ें वही हैं जो आपको पढ़ाई गई थी. ओके, and I have given a special attention to Bharatnatyam form. So I would like you to know maximum things about Bharatnatyam. Go through the video, go through every video that I have made for you and see to it carefully. You will understand. Okay, so dance का भी students आपका same है. Now the medium of dance is going to be Hindi. डांस का पूरा पेपर हिंदी में होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, and when you will see the videos, I have tried my best to explain things to you in both the languages, that is in English and Hindi. Okay, but the medium of this dance is going to be Hindi, whereas for computer it is going to be English. So dance का आपका हिंदी का पेपर होना है. Okay, same criteria students. You will be answering 45 questions in 40 minutes. Time is 40 minutes. Sorry, 45 minutes is the questions. Okay, 45 questions you will do it. The number of questions you will be answering is 45. This got me a bit confused, students. The medium is going to be Hindi, and the time that you will be getting is 45 minutes. This is the right thing, students. Do not get confused. I got confused there, so I just struck it out. Okay, so the time you will be getting is 45 minutes, and the total number of questions that you will be answering is 40 questions. Okay, so 45 मिनट्स में आपको 40 क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने हैं, और मीडियम होगा हिंदी, और सारी चीज़ें वीडियो से रिलेटेड हैं, कुछ भी वीडियो के बाहर से नहीं आया है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, इसमें भी सेम वैसी ही चीज़ें हैं. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. सो इसमें भी स्टूडेंट्स वही पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन जो है ये भी MCQ ही होगा स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, डांस के भी क्वेश्चंस MCQ ही होंगे, यानी कि मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, यू विल बी गिवन अ क्वेश्चन, और आपको कई सारे ऑप्शंस दे दिए जाएंगे. एक्चुअली 3 ऑप्शंस दे दिए जाएंगे, और 3 ऑप्शन में से जो सही आंसर है आपको वो चूज़ करना है. सो लेट्स सॉल्व वन टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. लेट्स डू इट नेचुरली. लोक नृत्य. ओके, लोक नृत्य किसी भी प्रकार का नृत्य नहीं है. So you have to tell me if this statement is right or wrong. सही या गलत. Okay, so option A says सही, option B says गलत, option C says कोई भी नहीं. ओके, सही, गलत, कोई भी नहीं. लोक नृत्य किसी भी प्रकार का नृत्य नहीं है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्वाइट कंफ्यूजिंग. डिड यू सी, यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हुआ है. ओके, लोक नृत्य किसी भी प्रकार का नृत्य नहीं है, पर लोक नृत्य वो नृत्य होते हैं जो स्टेट वाइज होते हैं, जिनमें कोई रूल्स रेगुलेशंस नहीं होते हैं. वो पर्वों और उत्सवों पे स्पेशली किए जाते हैं. हर स्टेट का अलग अलग लोक नृत्य भी होता है. जैसे कि राजस्थान में कालबेलिया होता है, गुजरात में डांडिया होता है. इस तरह से लोक नृत्य होते हैं. तो लोक नृत्य किसी भी प्रकार के नृत्य नहीं होते हैं. ये स्टेटमेंट पूरा गलत है, क्योंकि लोक नृत्य होते हैं. तो इसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? इसका आंसर बी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लोक नृत्य होते हैं. तो ये स्टेटमेंट पूरा गलत है. तो इसका आंसर सही है बी. Okay, this is a confusing kind of questions. Now there are going to be some easy questions also, that शास्त्रीय नृत्य क्वेश्चन 2. ओके, शास्त्रीय नृत्य कितने हैं? सो भारत में. ओके, इंडिया में शास्त्रीय नृत्य कितने हैं? A, B and C. देयर आर 3 ऑप्शंस, 10, 12, 8. तो आपको ये चीज़ पता होनी चाहिए कि इंडिया में कितने शास्त्रीय नृत्य हैं. इसका सही आंसर है 8. ओके, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस. देयर आर this simple type of questions also, there are these confusing type of questions also. Some are tough, some are easy. So I am telling you to go through the videos for dance and read the chapters for computers. Okay, for computer paper you just have to read the chapter, all the chapters, and read it in a proper way, see all the details. And dance के लिए आप videos देख लीजिए. Okay, you will get a proper ideas. I hope that the video that I made for you today is helping you to understand every kind of thing. Now you have no problem. Okay, take care students, do not step out, and all the best for your examinations. I hope you are going to do well. Okay, do not disappoint me.